Hello children. Once again, I Preeti Shrivastava welcome you all to the online class of Divine Public School. Today we will learn English. Use of what? So let's start. This is your English book work on language. Today we will learn about what. All of you open page number 38. This is page number 38. Here is written use of what. Children, what? What is used to ask a question or for an information about something or someone. We can also use what to ask someone to say something again because we have not clearly heard or understood it. Okay children, what is often used to show surprise about the thing what someone has just said. Okay children, now we will read this lesson. What? Use of what? Here is written, let's read and understand. LET apostrophe S, let's READ read, AND and UNDER STAND understand. Let's read and understand. What? WHAT what? IS is USED used, TO2 ASK ask, a QUESTION question. Just now I told you what is used to ask a question or for an information about something or someone. Okay? WHAT what? IS is THIS this. What is this? This is question mark. When we want to ask a question, we will put this sign. What is this? THIS this. IS is a BICYCLE bicycle. This is a bicycle. Here is a boy. He's asking, what is this? Then someone told him, this is a bicycle. All of you put pencil here. WHAT what? IS is THAT that. This is question mark. What is that? Okay. This boy is asking, what is that? That is an apple tree. THAT that. IS is ANNAPPLE apple, TREE tree. That is an apple tree. This and that is used with singular number. In previous video, you learned about this and that. This is used for the thing which is near, and that is used for the thing which is far from us. Before vowel, we use an, and before consonant, we use a, or we can say a. Okay? Now, this apple tree is far from the boy. That's why he is asking, what is that? That is an apple tree. Next question is WHAT what? ARERTHESE these. When things are near and more than one, when things are near to us and they are more in numbers, they are more than one, then we can use these. What are these? This question mark. What are these? THESE these. ARERWATCHES watches. These are watches. WHAT what? ARERTHOSE those. Children, in previous video you learnt about those also. We use those for the thing which is far from us and they are more in numbers. Okay, what are those? THOSE, those. ARER, TIGERS, tigers. This boy is asking, what are those? Those are tigers. Which is our national animal? Tiger is our national animal. Okay, what are those? Those are tigers. WHAT, what? IS is THAT, that. What is that? Question mark. THAT, that. IS is ANN AEROPLANE, aeroplane. That is an aeroplane. What is that? That is an aeroplane. Once again, we will read. What is this? This is a bicycle. What is that? That is an apple tree. What are these? These are watches. What are those? Those are tigers. What is that? That is an aeroplane. Now we will do some exercise. Now all of you open page number 39. This is page number 39. And here is written ANSWER, answer. The FOLLOWING following QUESTIONS questions. Answer the following questions. This girl is having an apple in her hand in a plate. Okay, she is holding a plate. She is having a plate, and in the plate she is having an apple. WHAT, what? IS is THIS, this. Question mark. What is this? Now here you will write, this is an apple. You are writing sentence, that's why T should be in capital letter. THIS, this. This we used for the thing which is near to us. This is an APPLE, apple, full stop. This is an apple. Next question is, what is that? What is that? That is the computer. So all of you write THAT, that. IS is a COMPUTER, computer. That is a computer. Next question is, what are these? What are these? These are pastries. THESE, these are ARERPASTRIES, pastries. These are pastries. What are those? Those are used for the thing which is far from us and they are more in numbers. Those, THOSE, those are stars. STARS, stars, full stop. What is that? That is use the thing which is 1 in number and far from us. Okay, that is the balloon. THAT, that is a BALLOON, N, balloon, full stop. Okay, what are these? These are used for the thing which is near to us and more in numbers. What are these? These are birds. T H E S E. These are BIRDS, birds. Okay children, like this you will complete page number 39 in very good handwriting. Now we will meet again in next video. Till then, bye bye.